I have a Camel refrigerator. This is a double door refrigerator that the door is not closing properly. It causes the cold air inside the fridge leak out, causing more electricity and shorten the lifespan of the refrigerator. Let me show you what the problem with the door I'm talking about. So when you open that door and look inside here, this vertical flap is not closing properly. Usually when you close the left door, this flap will open up like this and close the gap between the two doors. So when you close the gap between the two doors, it closes. And it also seal, you see the seal around here? So the seal sit on the closing part. Here, so we seal it all the way around, so there's no air coming out. See, the problem is now it remains like this. And when you close the door, you see all the air, see all the way on top to the bottom? All the air from inside the refrigerator will leak out. And it's not staying cool, the compressor is running all the time, causing more electricity. Eventually the compressor will die. So let me show you where the problem that causes that. So let me show you what the problem that causes that. And it's right here, this whole piece. The middle hinge. The whole middle hinge slide down when you keep closing, open this door. And you see here, this slide down here is supposed to be stay up like this. But when you keep opening, closing, open, close, it gradually slide down. And when you slide down in these positions, and pay attention on here, this piece, it doesn't catch to the top, and you will not close the gap. See that? It's supposed to be close the gap, but it doesn't close the gap, and it causes a leak out in between. So a lot of times I try to, if I find out it's like this, and try to move it up, but then eventually it will come down like this. And I unscrew this too. It doesn't do any help because it doesn't move up. And the top, this is the spring holding it, so it will keep open and close like this. And even this part will move up and down too. Show you. See that? So the whole thing, it can move up and down. If it moves down, it becomes a problem. It won't close properly. So how do I fix that? So you see the middle part here is held by 2 screws. So I need to take this out. The screwdriver. Make sure you don't lose the screw. Another one here. And then this part will come out. This is how it looks like when you come out. That's the rear. That's the front. So after you take this part out, I've got some double-sided tape. You can buy any brand, but you measure it out. About this length. Cut it. And tape it in between. And cut too long and cut some of it out. And then peel this off. Kind of hard to come off. Too good. Okay, it's still flush, so you need to put it. I'm gonna put another one on top. Okay. Up there, I'm going to put a third one. Raise enough. Now it's raised enough. Now to put this one back, this go here. To put the screw back in here. You don't need to tighten so much. Just tight enough. And same as the other side. So alright, let's see if they work or not. Check the door. So it stay down, right? See, it touches here. It's up here. So it stay down. See if we catch on to it. Yep, you catch onto it and close, open, close. Because what it does is I increase the gap here. So this one moves down, and it does not have to do with any part of these hinges here. I don't have to, there's no way you can open this up and move this up permanently. So that's how I fix the problem. Test it again, close it up. Close the door. Open the door. And remain closed. Right, that's how I fixed the door closing problem. Thanks for watching.